hello. I'm sorry I did not see you there. Derp. Okay, so it's Treasure Arena, guys. Treasure Arena. It looks like the pixelated game we were just playing, but PvP style. Okay, let me get the game back up. And it is Google Chrome friendly, so no worries on that. No, not full screen. Da 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 da. Oh god. God damn it. Dun 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 dun. If it's loud, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so we're going to US West. East. US East. Oops. We're going there, guys. US East. My name is Cora Rice. Ooh, we can make our own lobby. Ah, sick. Come on, guys, let's play this. It's Chrome friendly. Good to know. Oh yeah. Copy. Paste. That's the game, guys. This looks amazing. Ooh, Glade. Let's go to the Glade. Lobby options. Invite only. Invite via Twitter. Or no, here. Here's the invitation. Copy. There's the invitation. Use that to get in, I think. Well, that's what it seems to. Invitation link to this lobby. Yeah, that's the invitation. It says. When you start to yawn, powerful stretching of the jaw increases blood flow to the neck, face, and head. Yawning forces downward flow of signal fluid and blood from the brain. Cool air breathed into the mouth cools these fluids, causing the endocrine glands for sleepiness to stretch. Okay, Mr. Storybook, education guy, person. Da 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 da. Can you take that link, Vic, or is it not working? Oh, hello, EB. You haven't been talking much, but you can join in. It's free to everyone. Open to everyone. What server? It says right there, US East. And the lobby is Bird Stream, but I have it on invite, so you're gonna have to use that link that I put. Just copy it. I don't know where you put it though. Put it up your arse, I guess. This is so neat though. Look at this. You can be a warrior, a rogue, a mage. Not west, east. Isn't it east? East, east, US East. It's the middle one. Not west. North, south, east, and west. Let's get that part started. And how long did it take you to look up that on Wiki? Oh. Wait, does it cost money to get it on Chrome? Some of it was Wiki, I knew it. Oh my god, I think it's free. I'm adding this to Chrome. One sec, you unlock some classes if you add this to Chrome. One sec, we will restart the lobby, so don't join. That's neat. Ah, don't look it. You might see some secret stuff there. You're not allowed to see it. I have some secret stuff. I'm kidding, there's nothing there actually. There's nothing at all. Because I deleted everything. Don't think what... It's not what you think, cow. Don't think anything. Don't think dirty. I mean, don't think at all. I mean... God damn it. Just ignore what I said. Ignore everything. Is this common knowledge? No. It's wiki knowledge. Don't overthink it, guys. Just leave it. Just leave it at that. Nothing? I deleted nothing. So we'll start a game in a sec, guys. Oh, it's public. I'm waiting for my thing to install. Okay, I got it. So do I get the new characters now? No, maybe I have to run it through. Oh god. Oh jeez. Okay guys, I'm gonna reopen it, one sec. I have a new one. There we go, that's actually way better, in my opinion. Properties. Treasure Arena. Treasure Arena. Okay. That's actually really good. I didn't have to form it in any way, it formed itself. It's in the App Store, and it's very frackin' loud. It's in the App Store, so you can get it there. And you'll get extra characters and stuff, and it's completely free. Guys, go get this right now. It's completely free. You are free to get it. It doesn't cost anything, and that's amazing. Oh, well, that costs. Okay, so the extra stuff does cost stuff, but still, that's pretty neat. Ha! Oh god! Guys, there's a problem. Someone took our lobby. Someone literally took our lobby. Wow. Wow. That is sad. Oh god. Don't open that. What the frig? Someone managed to take our private lobby. I know, that's sad. How the hell did that happen? There you go, that's the lobby. Join ahead. I am going to be a mage, and we are going to the glade. It's called the real bird stream. I don't get why it wants me to give you that link. Maybe it's the password or something. I don't know. It's invite only, but I don't have you as a friend, so I don't know how I'm supposed to invite you. Do 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 do. Link is broken. I could try tweeting it. Okay guys, go to Twitter and add it in. Radio is out of sync, for me at least. Is it the same for you, Vic? Am I out of sync? Out of sync. You know, like the sync that you turn on, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap test. Is it out of sync? Maybe refresh, Cal? Well, it's good for him. Oh, you got in. Wait, who's Brandon? I'm Kill Dog. Wait, what? Who are these people? Is any of these you guys? No, that's Vic. Who's I'm Kill Dog, and who's Brandon? Is it out on sync? Okay, I'm gonna refresh the thing.